Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to join Binance Launchpool. Alright, so first up, you'll have to have a verified account or Binance verified account. Okay, if you don't know how to verify your account, we do have a separate video for that. So moving forward, just go ahead over to more section right here at the top right. Now go ahead and go to Launchpool. Okay, just click on it. Now go ahead and click on subscribe right here. Okay, it says here subscribe to BNB Simple Earn. So just click on subscribe. You can go ahead and manually subscribe from here, if not close this one. Okay, and here we have, for example, for BNB, you're gonna want to look for supported tokens, okay, and select an active project right here that you wanted to subscribe. And also right here is the farming period. This is per 120 days, 90 days, 15 days are flexible. So instead of clicking stake now, it says here subscribe. So just go ahead and click on subscribe. Right here, hit all max if you want to. And again, just make sure that you do have enough BNB for this specific token. Okay, let's say you have USDT. Go look it up right here, subscribe, max it out if you want to. You have, I'm only at tier 1, 0 to 200 USDT. And do take note that the APR right here does not represent actual predicted returns in fiat currency. Okay, so if you're happy with that, you can go ahead and auto subscribe and just click on I understand. If not, just hit on confirm right here to manually subscribe. That is it. That is how you join the Binance Launchpool. You have the product rules here, okay, that you can go ahead and read. And the benefits from here is that you can get new tokens before they hit the market. Also, you can withdraw your staked assets, like for example, BNB, FDUSD, or just like here, USDT, anytime with no penalties. Okay. If you want to lock into auto subscription or automatic participation, locking it or locking a token in here under Simple Earn, of course, automatically enrolls you in Launchpool and hodler airdrops. That is it. That is how you join the Binance Launchpool. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.